Hello, this is Miss Warner. Welcome to your social emotional learning class today. We're so excited to have a quick lesson for you today. It might be a little bit tricky. You're going to have to click on things yourself or have an adult help you, but hopefully I'll be able to talk you through it. The first thing we're going to do today is one of the butterfly body scan. It's a very cool video. So many of you liked the breathing things that we were doing that we decided to have this one set for you. So what we want you to do right now is see how I'm going to click on this? I want you to click on the button too. So I'm going to count to 3 and then I'm going to click on the button. And I need you to click on the button also. So you'll be able to see it, but you won't be able to hear it unless you click on the on button. Ready, set, go!
Butterfly body scan. Sit or lie down and get comfortable. If you decided to sit, try sitting with your back straight and your body relaxed, resting your hands on your knees. If you're lying down, lie on your back with your legs flat on the floor or the bed and your arms by your sides. Try closing your eyes, but if that's not comfortable, you can open them at any time. Now think of a butterfly and picture it in your mind. What does it look like?